Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use Extrude, Fillet, Full Round Fillet, and Revolve. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this slot. And this slot has 100 millimeters by 50 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, go to create, select a slot, center point slot, click here in this point, the distance here 50 millimeters, and the distance here is 100 millimeters because it is the diameter. We made this one. And now we will create these two lines here. The distance between these two lines is the 50 millimeters. This area will be the base, and the center here will be the main body, okay? So let's create these two lines. Select a line, make a line here, make another line here, and go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here, and go to dimension. The distance between these two lines is 50 millimeters. Now finish the sketch. We will extrude the base 20 millimeters. And the main body, we will extrude 170 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, 20 millimeters here, press OK, and show the sketch 1 again. Go to extrude, select this area, the distance here 170 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. Hide the sketch 1. We made this one. And now we will create this cut, and the first thing that we'll make, we will create this circle with 30 millimeters of radius, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint here is 90 millimeters. And then we will create these three lines here. The distance between these two lines, 30 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, and select this circle, make a circle here with 60 millimeters of diameter, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 90 millimeters, and go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and the midpoint. And now select line, make these three lines here, and go to dimension. The distance between these two lines is 30 millimeters. And here go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here, and go to midpoint, select this line and this point, and go to trim, cut the circle here, and finish the sketch. And now go to extrude, select this profile, show this body here, and the direction symmetric, the extended type, select all, operation cut, and press OK. We made this one. And now we need to create a fillet inside this area. And the radius of this fillet is 25 millimeters. So it will be a full round fillet because the thickness of this area is 50 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to fillet, the type here, select the full round fillet, select this face, and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this cut here in the top of the face. So to create this, we will select the right plane and we'll make this sketch here. We need to create an arc here. And this arc will be tangent with the top face. So let's create this. Go to sketch, select the right plane, show this body here and go to create selected project include project, the selection filter body, and select this body here, press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And here go to 3-point arc and make an arc here. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point, and go to tangent, select this arc and this line here. And the radius of this arc is 50 millimeters. And now select line, make a line here with 40 millimeters. It will be used only to create a cut. Make this point horizontal with this point here. And finish the sketch. Go to Revolve feature, select this area, show this body here. The axis, select this one. The operation here is cut and press OK. And now to finish this, we need to create two fillets. We have a fillet here and here with 30 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select the type here, fillet, select this edge and this one, the radius here 30 millimeters, and press OK. And here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.